This is the assembly video for the Widow Mine. To begin, carefully punch out all the pieces, the 4 feet, the top, and the body. Using a cutting tool or hard edge makes this task easier and ensures the pieces don't rip. Start with the body. Pre-fold each crease along the body and fold the bottom flaps out, along with the legs. Once everything is pre-folded, bend the body around and insert the tab into the slot. Afterwards, fold the tabs on the top in. The body is assembled. Next, we prepare the top of the Widow Mine. Fold the long piece down, then pre-fold the creases on each side of the central sensor eye. The next fold is a little more complicated. Each corner piece is folded up and down. Fold the corner piece up at the centermost crease, then down at the outer crease. When done correctly, it creates a Z pattern. Finally, fold the remaining 3 flaps down. To attach the top to the body, start at the back. Insert the tab into the space created by the body tabs. Insert the sides the same way. Ensure the top is snug against the body. The tab at the bottom of the long top piece is inserted into the slot in the body. Now it's time to put feet on this bad boy. Fold down the tab at the bottom of each leg. Each foot is attached to the leg by sliding the slots in the foot and leg together. Repeat this process for the other legs. Congratulations! You have completed the Widow Mine.